Okay, today we're looking at these two unusual knives and what you could use them for. Well, first of all, they both come in these covers or these sheaths. So the first one here is a bit flimsy, this cover. And yeah, it's not very good material. I mean, it's not going to last you very long. Look, I already had to glue it together here because when you put the knife in and you bring it out, it cuts it with this part here. It grabs there and it cuts it. So yeah, this is not very good. But anyway, the knife itself, it's got the little circle in the back here, so you can put your finger through and you can have a good grip of it when you're cutting. The blade is stainless steel, and let's give it a measure. So the blade itself is just over 10 centimeters, which is 4 inches, and the handle with the loop looks like it's 12 centimeters, and altogether is 23 centimeters, which is 9 inches. So the handle is grippy, and it's hefty as well, so you can hold it really firmly in your hand, and so you can have more control over the blade. And yeah, okay, so that's that one. And now we have this one. Now this cover here is a lot better. It's a lot thicker, and it feels like it's real leather, but I don't know. And it's this shape. So it's more like a cleaver, this one. And you've also got a bottle cap opener as well. So this one's got the hole in there, so you can put your finger through it and have a better grip on the handle. Again, the handle is grippy and a little bit short, but it's okay. You still have a good grip on it to cut things. Now, I would think that this would be good to skin things, like to skin an animal. Otherwise, I don't know what else you could use this for. Maybe you guys could tell me what people would use these style of knives for. But yes, so this is stainless steel, this blade as well. So let's have a look and see how long this one is. The blade itself is just over 31 centimeters, just over 5 inches. And together with the handle, 16 centimeters, or 6 1/4 inch length. So anyway, let's go and use them and see how we could use these two. Okay, so here we are. We're going to try and cut an onion here, which will be pretty easy, obviously. But as you can see, the curvature of the blade in the front, it doesn't cut right through. It's really annoying. Now we'll try the other one, and this one will be even worse. So you have to rock it to cut right through. And this is about the time when I get frustrated and I just stop. For shallots, it's fine as long as you don't have too many. So this one here works, I think it would work better if you just rolled it over, like I demonstrate here. So yeah, it works a lot better when you roll it. Now, bit of chicken. I'm trying to find the joint here, but it doesn't matter. I went straight through the bone and it worked okay. But this knife worked really well. Just cut through like nothing. It's that rolling action again. Okay, some beef sausages that are really soft. Just wanted to see how they would handle. And this one here, it squashes it more than it cuts it. So, I don't know, what do you guys think? We just demonstrated just then. Another thing about these knives is that they're handcrafted as well. So these are specials that I found on AliExpress. And if you want to go on AliExpress and find them yourselves, you can. I'll put a link down below for you guys to check them out. Otherwise, I'll put another link in Amazon so you can go and check out some knives there which are similar to these. Now, with this one here, I can't find it on Amazon. I can only find it on AliExpress. And this one here, I can find something similar on Amazon's. But anyway, I'll let you guys decide. Like I said, links will be in the description, and just head over there and check them out for yourselves. And we'll catch you on the next ones real soon.